Your locker is your private space at work or at school where you store your clothes, phone, laptop, and personal documents. You need to keep your valuables safe while you are away from home. But while the lock keeps prying eyes away from your important property, it can also restrict access if you misplace the keys. Have you lost the keys to your locker? Well, LockDoctor.Biz offers a simple solution to replacing lost locker keys. We are your online resource for replacing locks and keys for lockers, desks, and filing cabinets in the UK. We are committed to making key and lock replacement quick and easy. And once you place your order, we'll deliver the next day. Do you want to know how to place an order? The process is so easy. On lockers in the UK, the replacement key number is stamped on the original key and on the lock face just beside the keyhole. The most common type of locker key in the UK is the CC type. So to order replacement CC locker keys is simple. Just give us the replacement key number on your lock face. Can't find what you need? No problem. Not sure what to order? We still got you. All you have to do is get out your phone and send a perfect image of your existing key or the front of your lock to sales@LockDoctor.Biz. We'll help you find the existing key number. When you have it, just visit www.LockDoctor.Biz and input your key number into the search bar. Select the type of key you need and the quantity, and then add it to the card in the usual way. Proceed to the checkout options where you can pay securely with your card or via PayPal. At LockDoctor.Biz, we have over 100,000 replacement locker keys available for next-day delivery. So, with us, you won't ever have to worry about losing your locker key again. Order now and receive your replacement keys through the post the next day. Want to know more? Visit www.LockDoctor.Biz today.